how to cut video in InShot video editor application. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can cut video or trim video in InShot video editor application. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. First things first, you want to open up your video editor and you can see you'll get an interface like this. Now you can see video option there. You want to simply tap on video option, and here you want to select a video that you want to cut or trim. Now in my case, I'll just select a video here, real one, this one, and you want to simply tap on tick mark at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now here you can see I have a video at full length. Now in order to cut a trim of video, you want to cut it third, right? You want to simply tap on it, and once you tap on it here, you can either cut it from the left if you want and it'll be trimmed, or you can cut it from the right as well if you want to trim it. If you want to cut it in the middle, you want to simply tap on here and you want to scroll this icon in the part where you want to cut it, and then you can see here the scissor icon. You want to simply tap on it and you'll be able to trim it, and you can see cut option here. You want to simply tap on it and you'll be able to cut it here. You want to select tick mark option and you'll be cut. So this way you can cut video in InShot video editor application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.